Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, the issues between the Shaggy and Friends Foundation and the Ministry of Health have not yet been resolved.
The revelation means the financial donation meant for the Bustamante Children's Hospital has still not been handed over more than 5 years later.
Now, we sought an update from Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton.
The Chapelton Community Hospital, refurbished and reopened. For Dr. Christopher Tufton, the facility is a symbol of cooperation between a charity and the government, and he wants other charities to copy this model. He made specific reference to the Shaggy and Friends Foundation, which is yet to release funds to the government to assist with the Bustamante Children's Hospital.
I'm a little disappointed that it has taken 5+ years and the children of Bustamante and the infrastructure of Bustamante have not benefited from a very worthy cause. I have a lot of respect and admiration for Shaggy and his team and the thousands of others who have contributed to that cause. The reality of it is that the benefits have not yet flowed to the children.
The health minister explained that he has sought help to try and finally resolve the issue.
So I have asked the chairman of the hospital, Mr. Kenny Benjamin, who is a very respectable businessman in his own right, to intervene, to manage that process, to ensure that those resources flow where they belong based on how they were raised.
Dr. Tufton added that steps have also been taken to assure charities that the checks and balances in government are more transparent.
Our Wellness Foundation has been expanded. We have more people, including accountants, including the promotion of the concept, the promoters of the concept, which will require all the necessary accountability. And so I am proud as minister under this Andrew Holness administration to say that health is everybody's business and that it is through partnerships healthcare will work and that our potential givers have nothing to fear in terms of utilization of funds that are raised to support these causes.
Turning to other issues in the health sector, specifically the unsanitary state of bathroom facilities at some public hospitals, Dr. Tufton reasoned the management of those facilities have to take most of the responsibility for their upkeep. The comment follows a recent Gleaner report which found that several bathroom facilities of public hospitals had been vandalized or had toiletries and fixtures stolen.
Those who manage have a responsibility to ensure that the sanitary conveniences are kept in good order. But the reality is, and we shouldn't devalue that reality, oftentimes it is the very users of the facility that abuse the facility. You know, the toilet paper don't stay in there very long. People move out with them. The soap dispensers get torn off the wall, etc., etc. I think there's a general need for, as a country, for us to really to get back to this concept of community, in the true sense of community, and the fact that we really serve each other's purpose if we come together and do what is right.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.